Hey beauties, welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with eyeshadow that fades halfway through the day or creases into those annoying lines on your lids, you know the pain I'm talking about. Today we're looking at a product that promises to tackle that exact issue, the Maybelline New York Eyestudio ColorTattoo Metal 24HR Cream Gel Eyeshadow in bold gold. If you love long-lasting, highly pigmented eye looks, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell so you never miss our honest reviews and beauty tips. Now let's break it down. This is a 0.14 ounce single eyeshadow in a striking gold metallic finish. It uses ink pigments designed for intense color payoff and features a unique cream gel texture. The claim here is impressive: 24-hour wear without creasing or fading. Essentially, it's meant to deliver a bold, metallic look that stays put from morning coffee to evening cocktails. When I tested it, the cream gel formula felt buttery smooth on application and blended easily without tugging at the delicate skin of my eyelids. The pigment is indeed intense. Just a swipe gives a rich, reflective gold finish that immediately brightens the eyes. What I loved most is how it adhered to the lid. It really did last throughout a full day of wear, even in humid conditions. Applying over a primer or alone, it held its color beautifully with zero smudging or fading. Of course, no product is perfect. The texture, while creamy, can be slightly stiff if your brush isn't soft enough, and a little goes a long way, so blending requires a gentle hand. Also, removing it at the end of the day needs a reliable makeup remover since it's so long-lasting. But these are minor trade-offs compared to the impact of that metallic finish that doesn't budge. Value-wise, this single shade is reasonably priced for the performance you're getting. Considering how little product you need for intense color and how it can last all day, it's definitely a solid investment for anyone looking to elevate their eye makeup game. Compared to other metallic cream eyeshadows in the drugstore category, Maybelline's ColorTattoo stands out for its staying power and true-to-pan pigment. The packaging is sturdy, compact, and travel-friendly, which makes it easy to throw in a bag for touch-ups, or, let's be honest, for showing off that gold shine on the go. I haven't interacted with customer service, but Maybelline generally has a solid reputation if any issues arise. If this review is helping you decide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try it, the link is in the comments. If you're on a budget but still want that metallic punch, other drugstore cream shadows like L'Oreal Infallible 24HR eyeshadow in a metallic shade can be a more affordable alternative, though I found the ColorTattoo slightly more pigmented and longer lasting. All in all, Maybelline New York Eyestudio ColorTattoo in bold gold delivers exactly what it promises: rich, metallic color that won't crease or fade for hours on end. It's ideal for anyone who loves bold eye looks without the hassle of constant touch-ups. I'd recommend it for daily wear if you like a statement lid, or for evenings when you want your eyes to pop and stay flawless. Thanks for tuning in, beauties. The link to grab this gem is in the comments or description box below. If you've already tried it, drop a comment. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.